Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then you should see your wallpaper like this. To remove the wallpaper, go back to the home and click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on chat. Click on default chat theme. Then you should see your wallpaper selected. Now, to remove the wallpaper, come here and click on the default theme for your WhatsApp. Click on set at the top right. Then a pop-up appear that says set this theme and also keep my existing wallpaper. In case if you want to use this wallpaper later, just turn on keep my existing wallpaper and then click on set theme. Now hit the bar button, go back to your chat and open any chat to confirm this. Then you'll see your wallpaper deleted and then you are good. So that is exactly how to remove WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.